Hello everyone, today let's talk about yabooilseal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. It has with a spring. Look this is a spring. And it is a red-brown color. We also have a black color. This side is internal diameter 145. External diameter is 175. The sinker there is 17 and there is 21. You can through these sides find this oil seal. These seals also have many following features. The first one is organizes at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. It applicable to Benz truck. And if you like this, just send us our inquiries. We also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.